Welcome to my channel, Hobby Mo. In this video I've got you the Burnout Demon. It's a smoke generator for your RCs. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Of course it comes with a small box. We have here stickers, Burnout Demon, so you could add some touches to your vehicles. And this is the box. Of course it's empty now. We have everything here. I've got here this one, and of course the liquid, smoke liquid, and of course we have the smoke demon. It comes with a small fan with a connector and some cables. This is an extra cable, so you could connect it to the battery straight away. And of course you've got a small screwdriver, so you can control to find the center point from here, from the screw here, to find the center point. So we don't want it to run if the engine is not running, so we can control it from here. And I think so I can see here an LED light, so I think so this one will show you if it's active or not. And and that's it really. So it's up to you guys where to fit it. You want to fit it in the back here, down on the chassis. You can add some pipes here if you like. I'm going to try that in different video. Transfer the smoke from the burner and make an exhaust for the beast here, or if you have any exhaust you can make a hole and put the pipe in it, or just leave it as it is. This video, I think so, I'm not gonna fix it now, but I think so we need to put this comes with 5 milli. The syringe comes with 5 milli of smoke liquid. I think so you need to put 2.5 in each hole, and then you active the smoke burner, and then with the first throttle that you do, or second one, it will start to heat up, and then smoke will come out. Pardon me. That's it really guys. That's the only things came in the box, not much, and of course no instructions how to do it, so I will figure it out, and I will make a video how to connect it. Thank you very much for watching, and please like this video and leave any comments. If you want to ask me anything, I will be happy to answer you.